Hi, I'm Jeff Gonzalez, president of Trident Concepts, and today we're going to be talking about the TACOST training program, and in specific, we're going to be talking about the Hearts suite, or the Hearts suit, excuse me. So this particular suit is really focused on marksmanship, so there's really not like a part-time that you have to work on. What we're trying to do is achieve best level of precision we possibly can. And there's a lot of different variants that you'll see inside of this suit, and in particular, this one is going to be to work on our strong hand only. So we sometimes neglect some of the other areas that we need to work on to help improve our overall skill level, not just one specific skill set, but we want to improve our skill level across the board. Since we're training for an unknown, it's possible that I might have to work strong hand only. So here, we're going to be working with the strong hand only card. So the key is that I've got 3 stages basically. The first stage is that I'm going to fire 5 rounds. I'm going to repeat that twice. After that, I'm going to do a 1-round drill for 5 repetitions. After that, I'm going to do a 2-round drill for 5 repetitions. Now, again, because this is scalable, you can start from a ready position. You can actually start on target if you'd like. You can start from the holster. You can start from concealed. It's really up to you. What I'm hoping that you'll start to appreciate is the flexibility and the depth of this program. All right, so let's see what this looks like. 5 rounds, strong hand only. Here we go. All right, not bad. Pretty decent little group. I'm going to keep going with the second rep. Got a little reckless with 1 round, kind of climbed a little bit off to the side. It's still inside the target zone, so that's okay. Next, we're going to move to the 1-round drill from a ready position. We're going to do this 5 times. All right, so the last one is going to be a 2-round drill. We're going to repeat that 5 times. All right, so your point penalty is going to be 4 points. Cumulative rounds fired is 25. All right, so not bad. You know, again, it's about precision. This is about trying to be as precise as possible and not necessarily having to worry about a par time. What we want is we want to be able to demonstrate absolute precision on demand, and then with time, we'll go ahead and start tweaking that to include a little bit of a par time. So once you have completed this stage, whatever your score is, keep track of it, and then try this again. If you're finding that the 7-yard line is too easy, then move to the 10. If you're finding that the 8-inch target zone is too easy, then move to 6. If it's a little bit challenging, you're not able to maintain 80%, then move the target in a little bit closer. All right, so again, this is the beautiful thing about the program is that it's got a lot of depth to accommodate the various skill levels that are out there. All right, I'm Jeff Gonzalez. Would love to hear any questions or comments. Please feel free to post them down below. Till then, take care, stay safe.